Hey guys, Hannah here, welcome to my video and to my channel. Today we're doing a little bit of a DIY, something that we don't often do on this channel. I don't think I've ever done a DIY on this channel, but there's a first time for everything. Today I'm going to be painting my jeans. I've never painted on any sort of clothing before, I think. So this is the first time for me. I'm very excited. I've done a lot of research, so hopefully I don't do anything wrong or silly. I'm painting these jeans. These jeans were actually my favorite jeans for a while, but then I ate some curry and I got some curry on them and they got stained. Between me giving up on trying to get the stain out and filming this video, the stain has actually faded quite a bit. I don't think it'll actually show up on camera at all. I've got my second camera over here. It's right there. It's probably not even showing up on camera, but since I couldn't get the stain out for a while, I started thinking about all the different ways that I might be able to cover up the stain with patches or painting, and I just really liked the idea of painting. So even though there isn't much of a stain to cover up anymore, I still really want to paint these jeans. So I went to Spotlight and I got some fabric paints. I will not be using all of these colors, but I wasn't sure what I wanted to paint, so I thought I would just get the set and then maybe I'll do some more painting videos like this in the future, who knows, or I'll just paint on my own because I think this is going to be a lot of fun and very therapeutic. So I've got all of those paints and some paintbrushes. I've got my little dressmaking pencil to do some little trial sketchy things on here before I paint so I can get it looking good. Before I paint anything, I'm going to try sketching out some different things. My two main ideas are daisies and strawberries, both of which are definitely not like original ideas, but I think it'll be really, really cute. So I'm gonna have a little sketch of a couple things, see what I might like to do. Okay, that literally took me 2 minutes to do this, but I really think I'm gonna go for the daisies. The strawberries is just a little bit more complicated. I am not an artist. I like to watercolor every so often, and technically I'm a face painter, but I am not like a face painter, you know? So I'm gonna go for the daisies, I think. Now, I'm unsure whether I'm gonna do both legs or just one leg, but I know that I'm gonna do the front and the back. A little pet peeve of mine is when you get jeans that have like, I don't know, patches or a pattern or something, and it only has them on the front of the jeans. I'm like, what about the back of my jeans? They deserve to get some love too. So first of all, let's get out the colors that we're gonna use today. Oh, I hate when that happens. There's nothing satisfying about when that happens. So we're gonna need white. We're gonna need yellow. Now this yellow looks really bright, so I might actually get the orange out as well and mix those two a little bit. And I'm undecided whether I want to do an outline on the daisies and whether I want that outline to be brown or black. So I'm just gonna get all those out. And for a little extra touch, because I just want to use more of the colors, I think on one of the back pockets, I'm gonna do a daisy with a stem. I'm definitely not gonna do a daisy for all of them, but on one of the back pockets, I might do two smaller daisies with a little like stem coming out of it. So let's get the green out as well. But the first thing I'm gonna do before I even touch the paints is I'm gonna get out my dressmaking pencil and I'm just gonna do some little sketching out of the daisies, figure out where I wanna put them, and kind of make sure I'm spacing everything out properly. Okay, change of plans. This pencil is not doing anything on denim, right? Okay, lead pencil? I feel like a lead pencil will be fine. That'll wash out, right? Okay, I've done it. I've put all my little daisies sketched all over my jeans. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually go try these on before I paint them, just in case I've put any daisies in any weird spots that when I put the jeans on, I'm like, that doesn't quite look right. So I'm gonna go try them on, but I'm really, really excited. I think they're gonna look really cute. I think the daisies were a good choice as well because I actually have some earrings that will match them perfectly. So it's gonna make them this adorable little outfit. I am so excited. So I put them on. I just noticed there's this little spot here that could use a daisy. So I'm just gonna put a little circle there so I know to put one there. There's also, I put a daisy, I don't know if you can see it, but I put a daisy like right under my bum. And I can't figure out if it looks weird or not because it's not like in my butt cheeks, but it like, I don't know, I might get rid of that one. Yeah, okay, jury's in. I think I'm gonna get rid of that. But the thing is, can I use an eraser to get rid of it or do I just not paint it? And then when I put it in the wash, the lead will come out. What I'm gonna do, because I don't think an eraser is gonna work, is I'm just gonna put a big X on top of it and hopefully I'll see the X and I won't paint it and then it'll come out in the wash. All right, gorgeous. I'm gonna do that extra flower and then we'll get on to painting. I'm so excited. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix up some yellow and some orange to get the right color for in the middle. Because I could just go for yellow, but it looks like it's quite, I don't know, light. I think I'd like the middle of my daisies to be a little bit darker, just a little bit. I definitely put too much orange in this. That's looking pretty good to me. I'm gonna cover the whole thing in white first as like a base layer. Then I'll do white again on the petals and then I'll do the yellow orange in the middle. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh, these jeans are soaking up that paint really, really quickly. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I forgot to put, I got some cardboard to put between the pants so that it doesn't go through. Oh no, I forgot. I need to make this a little bit smaller. Oh, I'm so silly. Okay, I've painted the first daisy white. It just kind of looks like a blob at the moment. That's okay. This denim, because it's got a little bit of texture to it, I feel like it's absolutely drinking up this paint. I hope I've got enough white. I have now done the white, the first coat of white on all of the daisies on the front. I don't think I can flip this and put pressure on it until it's like dried properly. So I might wait a little bit and then I'll do a second coat of white and then I'll do the middle bit. And at the start I was like, I don't know if I want to do an outline on them. I kind of want to keep them just white. But they kind of just look like blobs without an outline. So I'll see once I put the little yellow orange dot in the middle, If that makes it look more like daisies, then I won't do an outline. But if they still need the outline, which I think they will, if they still need the outline, then I'll put the outline on. But I'm gonna have to wait. This is gonna be a longer process than I thought it would be. I didn't even think about the fact that this needs time to dry before I flip to the other side. Hey everyone, how we doing? Editing Hannah here. She's making an appearance. What's up? So I decided when I was filming this that I would do a bit of a voiceover. However, I believe it has been like 3 months since I actually filmed this video, so we're doing it a bit retroactively here. But I'm going to try my best to take myself back into the time and tell you what happened. So here I'm just putting on that yellow-orange mixture, and then I realised that it definitely looked like eggs, so I tried to go over it with a little bit more yellow to see if that would make a difference. I tried so hard to make sure that these jeans didn't look like eggs. They still kinda do. That's okay, it's quirky. We love her just the way that she is. And then, once I saw that they were still looking like eggs, I went, okay, let's look at some daisies. Daisies, like, sometimes they've got some little spot things happening, so I tried to just, like, dot some darker dots on there to do, like, the texture in the middle of the flower. That didn't quite look right, so then I kind of like blended it out and I ended up doing this little ombre thing, which I think worked. It still kind of looks like eggs, but I feel like it only looks like eggs if you are told that they look like eggs, you know? Like they kind of look like daisies. Anyway, so that worked out. I had a lot of fun painting these jeans. It took a really long time, like much longer than I anticipated, but I think that was just because like I painted both sides, and I definitely painted a lot of daisies on both sides. Like I've been doing a bit more of this sort of stuff. There's a special announcement at the end of this video, but I've been doing a lot more of this, and there's no way I would be spending my time doing this many daisies on both sides of the jeans. It took forever. I'm gonna say maybe like 10 hours of labor to do these jeans. Bit crazy. Anyway, but yeah, it was very therapeutic. Very fun. Oh, as you can see here, I'm putting the green on the daisies on the back pocket, completely ignoring the design that I originally drew for myself because I decided that was ugly and I didn't like it. Anyway, I'm about to talk to you way back in the past again. Still a fair time after I actually filmed this, but enjoy! Alright, and here is the finished product. I'll give you a twirl. Ooh, there it is. I'm really happy with how these turned out. I think they're absolutely adorable. They do still kind of look like eggs, but I feel like the little ombre thing I did in the middle makes it so that they don't look like eggs unless I point it out. This actually isn't my first time wearing the jeans. I actually wore these jeans to an audition recently, and I walked into the audition and the panel were like, oh my god, your jeans, and I was like, thank you. And a lot of people that were in the green room sort of area were asking me about my jeans, asking me where I got them, and I was like, well, I actually painted them myself. And I had a lot of people asking me if I took commissions, if I sell them, and I was like, I don't, but I could. So it's actually been a couple weeks since I painted the jeans and since that audition, but I pretty much decided at the end of this year I really want to open an Etsy store. I've gone from doing something that I've never done before to wanting to open an Etsy store that sells this sort of thing. It won't be the only thing that I sell, but definitely keep your eyes peeled because this is gonna be a future project. I'm very excited about it, but I will definitely film another video when all of that stuff happens. So at the start of this, I wasn't really sure if I wanted to do daisies or strawberries or anything else, but I recently picked up a pair of jeans from the thrift store, and I painted these with strawberries, so I've now got the strawberries and the daisies. These jeans don't quite fit me right, so these will be going on the Etsy store when that happens. But yeah, I think they're really cute. It was definitely much quicker only painting all the strawberries on one side and just doing a little bit on the back pocket, so that's something worth noting. I know I said that I love it when the pattern goes all the way around the jeans, and I get a little bit frustrated when it's just on the front, but it really does make a massive difference in time. So maybe that's something worth considering, how much time you want to spend on it. But yeah, it definitely took a lot of time and a lot of white paint. My white paint is pretty much all gone. Something that I didn't do with these is I didn't heat set them. I didn't use a hairdryer or an iron, which I think maybe I should have. I did use fabric paint, but I have noticed there's a little bit of like cracking and separation happening on the paint. No peeling, but a little bit of cracking. So I'm thinking maybe heat setting would have been a good idea. I don't know if it's too late to do that. I might try it anyway. So yeah, that was my adventure with painting my jeans. I hope you like them. I absolutely adore these jeans, and it's such a wonderful way to upcycle your clothes, make them a little bit more exciting. So I would absolutely recommend, but keep an eye out for my Etsy store because I'm really excited about it. But it'll definitely be towards the end of the year. I'm in full-time rehearsals right now for a show that performs in August, so I don't really have the time to start up an Etsy store right now, but I will absolutely let you know when that happens. It'll probably be towards the end of the year, September, maybe November, who knows, just in time for Christmas. So yeah, I hope you like the jeans. Thank you so much for getting to this part of the video. If you liked it, please feel free to give it a like, comment down below what you would paint your jeans as, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye!